Who do you think is going to win this election?
What kind of question that? Look on the shirt on me I wear, what color this? Yo, me I want comrade. My granny I want comrade. My mother, my father I want comrade. You cut me and an orange juice me I bleed. Yo, me so orange. My father breed my mother with a carrot. Yo, hear me say no right now, me green like the curry go to the Jamaica Labour Party, feed me and my 15 baby mother with.
Have you read the JLP's manifesto?
Read what? No. Me not read, man. Me even read myself. Listen me now, the Jamaica Labour Party pay for my water bill. Alright? You know how long me no shower? You know how long me no bathe? Yo, right now, my arm green and my balls green. Alright? But you see, after tonight, me I gonna shower in a prosperity. Who are gonna win this election? You hear me, I say no? Who are gonna win this election? Another PNP and another JLP. And the COVID, our new party in Jamaica, them named COVID. And that they are gonna win this election in 2020. Yo, COVID manifesto stop. Why? COVID manifesto so strong, the JLP and the PNP not even realize say they must spread the COVID policy all over the nation. You see right now, me just come forward for wind up myself, you know, because this is the only time me get for party since 2020 in Jamaica, you know. So go forward, I mean that they are wind up on some comrade girl, I mean they are wind up on some labor right girl. You see me I say? So I find two girl. I'm say, yo, may I get them number? Not at the same time, you know, separately, of course, you know, I have to be a gentleman about this. The two of the girl them come tell me the same exact thing. The girl them look for me and tell me, you know, I would take your number, but I left my phone at my house because I'm just coming in from foreign and I don't want the Jamaican government tracking me. What? The two girls them run out of quarantine, the blood. I'm gonna wind up myself on the two girls them. You know that mean right now me have 2 times the COVID for my crutches. You hear me I say no? Them girls
them wicked.
You mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Oh, you mean people that me don't know say a Yaadman Etan? And last week was the biggest party of the year in Jamaica. Yeah, elections 2020.
You know the good thing about this? The good thing about this is that half of you want to back after the election.
They got to go.
Yeah, me say party and election together in the same thing, because this year Carnival get cancelled in Jamaica. Sumfest was moved to an online platform in Jamaica. Everything else get cancelled except for elections. Now the results of the Jamaica election was a landslide victory for the Jamaica Labour Party. Now people them, I know some of you vex about it, but hear me I say no. Let's just put a round of applause for the victory of the Jamaica Labour Party. We have another 4 to 5 years of Andrew Brogan wholeness as our Prime Minister. But even though the JLP won this election officially, I believe the true winner of the 2020 elections in Jamaica was a new party that rose up in the beginning of this year. Actually, as a matter of fact, from the end of last year in 2019, and it lasted all of 2020. Oh yes, COVID. Since the election has been announced all the way till the end of the election, I'm gonna say a bag of activities what just making COVID quite horny. COVID see these things and COVID get erect and aroused by the thought. And I was saying this from the beginning, you know. From the beginning, I say, yo, if the government and the opposition don't try to keep things under control, because we know say by the time election come and election night and them announce the winner of the election party I go keep no matter what. There is no government, no authorities that is going to stop Jamaicans from partying the night of the election. It's like when you see a boat with 100 meter and you see a boat a keep party. And you see a boat get cold. Okay, alright. So all I needed to do to keep a party in a Jamaica in 2020 was to say that it was a political party. Yeah! I'm a political party and we can party like a normal thing, but we just have to spray down every girl crutches and all them things before we go wine pan them. Yeah, that makes sense. Election night, as I announced earlier, the Jamaica Labour Party landslide the election. When me say them landslide, me I talk about them shower down rain pan Jamaica. Right now, Jamaica look like callaloo with a little bit of carrot mixed up in it.
You know, she got talk about, oh, them are gonna win every seat from Westmoreland to Mobile. Let me tell you this, right now more than half of Jamaica, much less Mobile. No smell good, none at all right now.
What you mean?
Oh, you mean? You don't know metaphor, you know green, them green.
Yes.
Nobody no wants in orange right now, all when them a drop off a tree. All when COVID a kill off people, nobody no want no vitamin C. Them mash up this 20.
Yo, somebody said Jamaica is so green, I can use Jamaica as my new green screen. Alright, I can try this. Bombo clap! And of course, by the end of it all, when your political party wins the election, you're going to have some people who not in the best of moods. You see what I say? So of course, a lot of people was crying orange juice that night.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth!
Where you ball for? Where you ball for?
And of course, the biggest party did have to come election night. I am very interested to see what the coronavirus cases are going to be looking like in Jamaica in the next 2 to 3 weeks. What? Jamaica just announced that we are in the community transmission phase of COVID-19, which means that a lot of our cases cannot be traced back to people who are come from foreign. Whew. Whew. Oh boy. Alright, whew. My lungs might get kinda tight. Whew. I probably should not have whined on them two girls there, who left their phones at them house. Oh, my lungs might get kinda weak. Yo, but people, I think we can all agree that regardless of whoever won the election in Jamaica last week, that we do have one clear winner who won by unanimous votes. Who won because everybody who participated in the election in Jamaica contributed to the manifesto of the COVID party. So for that, I must say congratulations to COVID for spreading its influence all throughout Jamaica with such power and a shower of coughing and sneezing all over my beautiful country. Why, I must can say, COVID has won the election this year in Jamaica. And right now, COVID is as Jamaican as a plate of callaloo and saltfish with a little bit of carrot. People them big up on the damn self. I'm wearing a damn mask. Yeah, yo, I make my own mask. Yeah. Come on for my YouTube. Ciao.